I have a severe problem, though I must say that in my own personal stand on several issues, Syed Abbas, is that I have disagreed with the Honorable Supreme Court of India on many issues at a private level, at a personal level, but I am a conscientious citizen who will follow the Supreme Court. It's every diktat, even if it were to be against me.
Absolutely.
My own case, when I was put in jail by an unjust government on false charges, I was ready. Even if the Supreme Court had gone against me, I would have accepted its wisdom. That is the kind of respect I have for the judiciary in this country. But Syed Abbas,
likewise,
the Supreme Court, the Honorable Supreme Court, right, has not put a hold on the validity of CAA. The Honorable Supreme Court has also specified that this issue should not be taken up in the high courts of the country. The Supreme Court had declined to put a hold on CAA. Now, these are realities. These people, do you or not have faith in the Supreme Court? And most importantly, I want to remind you of provocation. You know, a lie was propagated by one news anchor that parents and grandparents will have to prove that they were born in India and non-Muslim Indians will not have to prove documents for NRC. That was a lie. It was an attempt to make Muslims hate Hindus and make Hindus go distant from Muslims. The Supreme Court had issued a warning at that point of time to the protesting Jamia students to stop the riots. You want me to forget all of this today? You want me to forget? And today, how many times do I have to scream on my program to say, show me where this affects Indian Muslim citizens? At least we must admit that we lied. You can say, yes, we lied. We tried to make this a Hindu-Muslim issue. We thought we will lose the elections. We wanted to create some tamasha. We were desperate. We were frustrated that Narendra Modi had been elected for a second time. Just when Donald Trump was visiting India, we wanted the global headlines to be one of a burning New Delhi. And that's why we lied. If you admit your lie, I will leave you. If you don't admit your lie, I will go after you today, including you, Syed Abbas, because you were also part of that group.
Sure, no. So may I answer?
You spread the lie. And so on your head also and on your conscience are the lives of all the people who died because of the riots that have happened after that.
Yes.
You will have to accept today, Sushil and Ratan Sharda and I are very well prepared. I give you a minute.
Likewise, Arnab, I am on India's and probably one of the world's to be greatest channel. I will not lie. And I will also, I've come with my boxing gloves, Arnab. I know these debates are watched across the world. And I'm sparring today, ready for the knockout punch to Ratan and Sushil. And to you also, Arnab. 36 into the debates have come. Allow me 2 minutes, please. I'm set with my preparation here. Now, for all those people who have read from the WhatsApp University, let me tell you, I'm from Christ University, Bangalore, and CAA does not concern. Sushil, stop it, Sushil. Please be civil. Arnab, I'm not debating if anybody interrupts me. It's not fair.
They can't see the genocide of Hindus in Bangladesh. And there is no bar on Muslims seeking citizenship in India at all. They know Foreigners Act permits Muslims to seek citizenship of India. This is a bit of tokenism to expedite, to just enable refugees living in India to not wait for 11 years, but apply for the citizenship in 5 years. That's all it does. And the number of people affected are no more than 50,000. It's in fact less than 50,000. With this kind of tokenism, you are turning a blind eye to Hindus who are facing a genocide in Pakistan. How can you forget that their prepubescent daughters in their teens, early teens, are picked up, forcibly converted, and married off to middle-aged Pakistani men with wives and children? This happens 1,000 times every year.
Syed Abbas. There's no need to over-dramatize with a finger on your lips. You are allowed to respond. Sushil Pandit, he wants to respond to you.
Arnab, please give me 2 minutes, Arnab. I have lots to speak. Please. Thank you, Sushil ji. बस 2 मिनट दीजिए. आपका उम्र भर आभारी रहूंगा, भाई साहब. बड़े भाई होने के नाते. Arnab, firstly, let me tell you, CAA does not concern the Indian Muslims. Since the inception of Republic TV, I've been on your channel for the last 5-6 years now, and you can check all my comments, pull out the footage. I'll tell you where I register my protest. First and foremost, for those who have read from the WhatsApp University, respected ladies and gentlemen, CAA has nothing to do with the Indian Muslims. It is about giving citizenship to the persecuted minorities of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. I'll tell you where I register my protest here. It mentions of Sikhs, it mentions of Buddhists, it mentions of Jain, it mentions of Hindus, but it does not mention of persecuted minorities like Ahmadiyas and Hazaras who happen to be Muslims. Where I believe my constitution, my preamble says we are a secular nation. How does a constitution which is secular make a law which is based on religion? That is where I register my protest. Second point, sir. Second
You are
point.
so wrong.
Arnab,
You are so wrong.
We must not
You are
forget-
wrong. I want to fact check. No, I want to fact check
We
you.
must not forget.
I want to fact check you. I want to fact check. I want to fact check. Should I fact check or Sushil's fact checking? No, 1 minute. Fact check. Fact checks are allowed. Fact check. Fact check. Fact check. Fact check. Fact check. Now, please wait. 1 minute. It's a fact check.
30 seconds.
No, but it's a fact check.
30
I will allow
seconds,
you, but it's a
Sushil,
fact check,
please. I
right?
will hear you.
It's a
Thank
fact
you.
check.
Arnab,
No,
second
fact
point.
check, because you
Arnab,
move
second
30
point.
seconds, you will move on from that point.
Arnab,
I need to stop you at
30
this very
seconds.
point.
Arnab, this is not fair, my
Because
friend.
I need to
Yes,
stop you at this very
absolutely.
point.
Arnab, give me 30
I need
seconds.
to stop you at
Give
this
me
very
30
point.
seconds,
No, I will
Arnab.
have to stop
Give me
you.
30
No, I
seconds.
will have to stop you.
Arnab,
I will have to
no,
stop you at this very point. No, I'm
Give me
sorry, I'm
30
stopping you.
seconds, Arnab.
No. 1
Arnab,
minute.
30 seconds.
1 minute. No, I have to
Right.
stop you at this point. Listen
Thank
to
you.
me.
Arnab,
Listen
give
to
me
me.
30 seconds,
1
Arnab.
minute, 1 minute.
You
I have
can-
to
you
stop
can
you at
counter
this
me
point.
as
Please
much
allow
as you
me. Don't
want.
waste your time. 1 minute. Arey bhai, I am the Lord and Master of the program. I give myself the right to stop you. Now listen to me, please, for 1 minute. Thank you very much.